What's the meaning of balloon tire? Balloon tire. Balloon tire.
Balloon tire. Balloon tire. A balloon tire refers to a type of tire that is characterized by its oversized and low-pressure design. These tires are typically used on off-road vehicles, bicycles, and motorcycles, and are designed to provide increased traction and stability in challenging terrain. Balloon tires get their name from the fact that they resemble balloons when inflated due to their round and bulging appearance. They are typically made of durable materials like rubber and silicone, and are designed to withstand wear and tear from rough terrain. Due to their large size and low pressure, these tires can absorb shocks and vibrations, providing a smoother and more comfortable ride for the user.